Hey y'all, it's your girl Amani Abi. If you're new to my channel, then hey girl, hey. If you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I make lip gloss for my wholesale. We're using only 4 ingredients. I know y'all like money, 4 ingredients, but I'm about to put y'all on. So, first things first, we need brush gel. I am using ABA Cosmetics. If y'all want me to do a review on this, let me know. So the next thing you're gonna need is coconut oil or whatever carrier oil you want to use for your lip gloss. Y'all don't have to use coconut oil. I use coconut oil because it's the easy oil to separate and thin out the VersaGel. Then you're gonna need your flavoring oil. I use Get Sucker cake batter for this one. And then you're gonna need your pigment. You can use mica, but you can also use a liquid lip colorant. This is one that I make and I sell on my website in the color Allure. So since we're doing wholesale, there's a certain amount of ounces that I want to make. So I'm going to be making 4 ounces in this video. So that's why you need your handy dandy expensive scale. If you haven't already watched my inventory haul, go ahead and watch that. And so what I'm doing right now is getting my bowl, and I'm just going to zero out the bowl, and then we're going to add the VersaGel. As you can see, I was being a little generous. I was only supposed to give 4 ounces, but I gave 4.23. But it's okay. Never hurt to give kids a little extra. Y'all, don't mind my table. I know it's dirty. This is why this is a lip gloss table, because I make a lot of colors and yeah, it gets a little messy sometimes. But I guess that's the art of it. So now I'm going to take that coconut oil, and the thing about this part is that you kind of have to eyeball it. I start off with maybe 3 spoons, 3 or 4 spoons. It depends on how much VersaGel you put in it, and you kind of have to add more as you go. So start off with a little and add more as you go. That way you won't have a lip gloss base that's too soupy, because you don't want your lip gloss running. Okay, you want it to be thick and you want it to stay on all day. Okay, so after you mix that up, you should have a decent consistency and a stronger wrist. I say decent because you don't have to have a perfect consistency, because you're going to be adding other oils to your base. So now you're going to take that liquid lip colorant, hopefully by Amani's Glow. And the thing about lip colorant is that you can add as little or as much as you want. So like the more you add, the deeper and the more pigmented your gloss will be. Okay, y'all, so the last step is to add your flavoring oil. This is the last ingredient. It's one thing to have a good gloss, but it's another thing to have a gloss that you want to eat. So flavoring oil is key. Once y'all add y'all flavoring oil, can't nobody compare. Okay, y'all, so my camera died right before the good part, I know, but here's some pictures of the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you all for watching my video. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Love you. Bye.